Good morning. It's Saturday morning, about 7:15 a.m. I'm standing at the pier in Centro, and today I wanted to show the fish market that happens right here behind me every morning. I don't really know what time, but probably 6 or 7 they start the market. These panga boats that are right here on the beach, they go out at night and catch fish and they sell it right here in the market in the morning. It's really an interesting thing to see. So if you're an early riser and you're here in Ziwa, or if you need an excuse to get up early in the morning, this is a really cool thing to see. Especially because, worldwide, like 40% of the fish that we eat in restaurants and at grocery stores is misidentified. So this is a great way to come into a town, go to the fish market, and you should know exactly what you're getting. So anyways, let's take a look at the market. There you have it. That's the fish market every day, bright and early. See lots of different people out walking their dogs, or exercising, people buying fish, people cleaning fish. And you can also buy coffees, and they sell like breakfast sandwiches down there too, which is pretty cool. And a lot of good people watching. So if you're here, you should definitely check out the fish market, and we'll see you next time. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Take care.